So I know we've got some tornado warnings out there too, but I do want to focus on these winds as well, as we could get straight line wind damage. If we're talking winds in excess of 70 miles per hour, doesn't take much to cause some damage out of that. So going back to the tornado warnings that we have got, you can still see those bulges out from the line. I'd say the northern one that made its way over Guthrie Center has weakened a little bit, but still some clear rotation moving through. Again, that's going to be pushing outwards towards Yale. I'll put a new storm track on that one to give you an idea when it's going to be there to where you are. But still tracking this area of rotation. We'll see if they decide to extend this warning, but I'm just going to throw this out there anyway to give you an idea of where it's going to be and when it'll be there. Yale 5 minutes, Dawson coming in at 16 minutes, Perry 22 minutes, Minburn 26, Woodward 34, Granger 39, Madrid coming in at 41. We've got that other tornado warning to the south. I'll throw a track on that, and then I'm going to go street level again on these, show you where that rotation sits. This one's working its way in towards the metro. Again, another one we're going to have to keep a really close eye on to see if that rotation holds together. Diamond Head Lake 9 minutes, Dexter coming in at 12 minutes, Redfield coming in at 14 minutes, Earlham 19 minutes, DeSoto 26 minutes, Adel 27, and Van Meter coming in at 30 minutes.